Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trim and cut video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Premiere Pro and select any video clip. So I'm going to select this video for example. Okay, so I selected a video. So I'm going to show you how you can trim. So let's suppose you are on the start. So you simply need to hover mouse here and click here. So this is the first method by which you can trim video from start, and you need to follow this procedure at the end as well. But let's suppose if you do not want to have this extra space, so you simply need to, so let me get back to the video, and you simply need to click on the control button, and after that you can see that this change to the yellow icon, and then you can see that I easily trim a video. So this is the method by which you can trim a video. So how you can cut, so here you can see a razor icon. You simply need to click on that to select razor tool. But if you do not want to choose from here, you simply need to click on C on your mouse, and you simply need to drag here on the timeline of the video. Click here and click here. So let me select this video clip from by clicking V. So this is the video that I cut. So this is the process by which you can trim and cut video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.